Hi, 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 my beautiful people. Your lady's signing in again. Just grab my pen. Lois Nichols. Hi, everyone. More like a relaxed evening for me. If you're just joining me, welcome. If you're stumbling across this video, welcome. And if you're one of my subscribers, welcome. Now, I just thought I should do this video because I want to answer some of the questions that have been thrown at me in the course of doing all my product demos and yeah. So that's really why I'm here. You know, I know every time I come, I obviously introduce myself. Your lady, CEO and founder of Nico Fashions. Yes, that's my baby brand. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, so Nico Fashions opened up in. We've been in business now since 2012, actually, 2012, and we only came online in I think 2016. So we have a massive. We started like putting our stuff online, like really becoming more visible, and with the trend that time, that was when a lot of companies were also coming online. Everybody was just tapping into this online bug that was going all around, So yeah, we came online, and since 2016, we've had a very, very, very massive online presence, and we've been growing, and every day we just keep growing. Like I said, it's my baby brand. I love Nico Fashions. What do we do with Nico Fashions? We are into big time jewelry, and we're into clothing, we're into designer shoes, designer bags, we're into solid pure leather shoes for men, we're into gift items, we're into so many other fashion accessories. Okay, it's a home for fashion lovers. So if you're a fashion lover, go on our website www.loisnichols.com, and I promise you, you will not leave the site until you get one thing. I'm telling you, I'm not kidding. A lot of people who visited the site, they come back to me. I'm like, oh, ooh, I'm confused. I don't know. There's so much to buy. Hey, can you decide something for me? I'm like, what? Are you for real? Decide for you? No, no, no. It's your game, it's your call. You have to decide what you want to buy for yourself. I can't make the decision for you. I can only point you in the right direction if you give me like statistics. If I know what you want, I can point you in the right direction, but I ain't gonna choose for you. Nah, nah, no. Anyway, so that's Nico Fashions, and to the glory of God, we have been growing and growing and growing, and we've come to a position where we had to. Now we diversified. I think in 2021, when Atomy opened up its market in the UK in 2021, we just came on board Atomy as one of the pioneer distributors of their products in the UK. Okay, that is where how Nikki Beauty Products came about. So Nikki Beauty Products is a baby, okay, more like a subsidiary of Nico Fashions, and we are major pioneer distributors of Atomy products here in the United Kingdom. And guess what? Atomy products are the best. I say it any day, anytime, they are the best. I mean, solid organic products, plant-based products, products that are herbal, products that are from pure natural ingredients, products that you can use, they are as safe as the food you're eating. They will not damage your skin. Our beauty products will not damage your skin, will not burn your skin, will not give you any form of discoloration on your skin. Rather, it will clear, and clear all the discolorations and acne and so many others. And our hair products, same. They're very gentle on the skin and made from pure natural herbs. Some of them are made from roots, of herbs. Some of them are made from herbs. Even one of our best sellers here in UK, the essential oil patch. I've done a demo, so scroll. If you go down this page, you will see the demo I done on the ethereal oil pain relief patch. That is one of our top sellers here. And guess what? Any kind of pain on your body, slap it up with the essential oil patch and you're good to go. I mean, in any part of your body, and I've got so many testimonies and feedback from that product. People who have arthritis, knee pain, ankle pain, elbow pain, lower back pain, waist pain, neck pain. There's so many. In fact, it was when I started like distributing this essential oil patch that I found out that there are actually a lot of people that are in pain in this world. I mean, pain of all sorts, And, sometimes when they tell you, you'll be like, what is that? There's pain everywhere in the body, And when they mention some of it to you, like, So, but every single time I've got a positive feedback, I've got a good feedback, and they're just loving the product. And this is what I keep saying about this product. That's why I decided, oh my gosh, I want this product, okay? And every the company itself, Atomy, thrives on auto consumers, people who have used their products and they just keep coming back. I mean, auto consumers, okay? High repeated sales. And this is what has also contributed to the fast growth of the company. All right. They're currently in over 50 countries. Okay. So every country they go to, they open up a market. Okay. And then obviously start recruiting distributors. Okay. So I am a distributor, a pioneer distributor with Atomy. And I also have a team of distributors under me. Okay, people who are also working, who have used these products, they love it, they're sharing the products with their friends, their families, and so we are just like a team of distributors here in the United Kingdom. Okay, so that's me in a nutshell, and just for those of you who are still asking, that's me in a nutshell, and so all the products we distribute in this channel, okay, are just Atomy products, okay, because like I said, they are the best, okay. So I'm putting out a hand now to people who are interested in becoming part of our team. Okay, if you want to be a pioneer distributor of these amazing products here in the United Kingdom, please feel free. Their products are FDA approved, and all the products on our online shopping mall here in the UK have also been approved. So if you want to be part of our team of distributors here in the UK, please feel free, okay, to contact me on my WhatsApp. Connect me on my WhatsApp. It's going to be like in the comment section. So if you just scroll down the bottom of this video, you're going to find my number there. Connect with me, okay, and join my team of distributors, and let's rock and roll Atomy in the United Kingdom. So I thought to give you a bit of information about what we do here. All right, so until I see you again, I'm signing off now, and watch out for my next product demo. Trust me, don't touch that. I'll see you. Stay out of trouble. I love you all. Cheers. Bye.